एज केयर इंडिया ने 9 जुलाई 2025 को एल्डर्स डे 2025 के अवसर पर एक विशेष कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया, जिसका मुख्य उद्देश्य था वरिष्ठ नागरिकों का सम्मान और पर्यावरण के प्रति जागरूकता। ये कार्यक्रम इंडिया इंटरनेशनल सेंटर, नई दिल्ली में आयोजित किया गया, जहां समाज, पर्यावरण और वरिष्ठ नागरिकों से जुड़े प्रमुख व्यक्तित्वों की गरिमामयी उपस्थिति रही। कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि रहे माननीय न्यायमूर्ति वी. रामासुब्रमणियन, जो इस समय राष्ट्रीय मानवाधिकार आयोग के अध्यक्ष हैं। उन्होंने बुजुर्गों के अधिकार, गरिमा और समाज में उनकी भूमिका पर भावपूर्ण विचार प्रस्तुत किए। कार्यक्रम की एक विशेष झलक रही 2 प्रसिद्ध पर्यावरणविदों, डॉक्टर GBK राव और वंदनीय भिक्षु संघसेन को मोस्ट एमिनेंट सीनियर सिटीजन अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। ये दोनों समाज और प्रकृति के बीच संतुलन को लेकर दशकों से कार्य कर रहे हैं और वैश्विक स्तर पर उनके प्रयासों को सराहा गया है। दिल्ली के विभिन्न वरिष्ठ नागरिक संघों के 15 अध्यक्षों को भी इस दिन सम्मानित किया गया, जिन्होंने अपने क्षेत्रों में बुजुर्गों के कल्याण के लिए उल्लेखनीय कार्य किए हैं।
It was very nice participating in the event organized by Age Care India, especially with special focus on environment. The elders equally are responsible for keeping intergenerational rights insofar as environment is concerned. Thank you.
As someone said, one is a moral crisis, an environmental crisis. So unless we wake up and stop further deterioration and try planting of trees and all that more, otherwise we will be doing grave injustice to future generations. At this rate, future generations will not get clean water to drink, clean air to breathe, even may not have even a healthy food. So it's very, very important. So it's not government alone cannot do it. Everyone must be aware of this impending crisis, have awareness and do so many things. And of course, first thing is more and more of greenery, more and more of plantations, trees and all that. I myself have planted 4,000 trees in the place I was born. Okay, not only talking, you have to do something. Unless we green the planet, you cannot save the planet from self-destruction. Thank you.
It's been a great privilege for me to be part of this today's programs that is honoring some distinguished guests and talking about the environmental issues and how to take care of the age, the advanced age of our life. We have today many distinguished scholars to talk on this topic. I think this is very important. As you all know, the whole world, the humanity is going through a serious crisis, the environmental degradation, ecological pollution. And to tackle this, I believe strongly that all people, the spiritual gurus and the scientists and the business people and the politicians, we all need to come together to tackle this. Otherwise, our progress, our development will become just what they call Bhasmasura dance. The very development, what we call the development, technological, ecological development without taking care of environment, ecological values will simply prove disaster. Therefore, I think today's this program organized by Age Care India was very significant. I would like to express my profound appreciation to Dr. Karthikeyan, the president of this organization, and the vice president, all fellow who are associated with this. We need to come together and work together to save this planet. Thank you.
Myself, I am Dr. Gaurav Gupta. I am the founder president of GTCI Lions Club and the vice president of Age Care India. Today we are here in the annual day celebration of Age Care India, which we are doing annually, and we are honoring some eminent personalities across the globe, or you can say today we got the Mr. GBK Rao from Hyderabad and Mr. Honorable Guru Sanghsena ji from Ladakh. Our chief guest, our president of Human Rights Commission, Mr. Subramaniam ji, has honored both of them. And each year we like to thank our gift sponsor GTCI and Antara for providing gifts to every senior citizen and the members and guests. This is basically our motto is slogan is grow gracefully. So this is we are supporting our elders, and young members and young people are coming to support, and we always feel proud to honor our elders. भारत देश की एक ये हमारी संस्कृति भी है कि अपने बुजुर्गों का सम्मान करें, उसके लिए एक छोटा सा प्रयास है। थैंक यू।
Maharaj, चेयरमैन GGTCI। ये एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है जो सिर्फ इसी देश में नहीं पूरे ग्लोब में है और इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है और इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट भी है और इसमें सिर्फ बुज़ुर्गों को नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, इसमें जितना यूथ पार्टिसिपेट करेगा तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को आगे लेकर के जाएगा। तो GGTCI का मतलब यही है कि एज केयर को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आपके और हमारे जैसे लोग जब तक सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो ये एक एनवायरनमेंट और पीपल फ्रेंडली नहीं होगा। हर एक स्टूडेंट को समझ में आना चाहिए कि उनकी एज केयर के प्रति क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
I am thrilled to express my happiness that today I have been the part of arranging this event on the environment, and this see from our Guruji has come from Ladakh, Dr. G.V.K. Rao, then the Dr. Karthikeyan. It is all his efforts and everything. He is the president. And the direction in which we are moving, this is a great thing, and this needs our attention. First, foremost attention we need to protect our environment. If environment is there, if nature is there, we are there. The life is there only in the environment only. And one another thing which I have said, that we should not look only the outside environment. We should look for the inside environment. And it is so simple to have it. Just smile, and the other people will smile. And this is such a catching thing that the entire place and the area, the entire country, entire world starts smiling. So it is with you. One smile can bring joy in everyone in the whole world. Thank you so much.
At present Vice President. So I attended this Age Care India 43rd session. It was very interesting and very informative regarding environment, the age and medical health, because it's not only physical health, mental health matters at this age a lot. And from Mr. Rao from Hyderabad was there, and some saint from Ladakh was also there. It was very interesting and very knowledgeable talk. So we enjoyed a lot and learned a lot. So, thank you. That's it. Thank you.
Myself, I am Dr. Amarpal Singh Kochar from Himachal chapter. I am General Secretary of Age Care India Himachal chapter. We are running Age Care India from Shimla only, and in 1998 we started this Age Care India chapter, and we have a Age Care home at Shimla at Salana. We have about 11 rooms over there, and we keep on organizing different activities for senior citizens like medical camps and other workshops, digital workshops also. And recently we are planning that this Age Care home, we are going it for either for a meditation center or something like that. We are having a talk with the Age Care India main chapter of this India. So let's see, let's hope this Age Care India grows. And it was a very nice, and I enjoyed and loved to visit this. First time I visited this place, and this workshop also, and this annual day function. It was a well organized Age Care India function.